Are you the hidden goddess? The number W is the most important letter in your piece. You are at 9 o'clock and you seemingly have had 3 hybrid children. You have had symbology in your personal life that would reflect affirmations that you do have 3 hybrid children, and there are 3 aliens who are connected to you. You have a lot of Freemasonry symbolisms, but today we're going to focus on the letter W. This will be part 1. So if we look at 7 o'clock, we see a Y and a V, but it also makes the letter W. The Y and the V reflects Yod He, Vau He, and it has many symbolisms, both physically and spiritually speaking. You have the crescent moon, and this crescent moon is associated with Astarte or Ishtar. She's often depicted as having the horns on her head. It's not horns, it's the crescent moon. This is known as moon worship, and the crescent moon is known as Sin, S-I-N. So Astarte is known as the morning star. This is Christ. So the morning star and Christ, the hidden goddess is that there's a goddess behind the Christ, and seemingly this is you. She is associated with Venus as well. So when we're looking at the letter W, we see double U, meaning there are 2 of you. And the letter W is associated with tungsten, a metal. The atomic number of tungsten is 7 and 4, which is 11. And there are 74 protons and electrons, which also reflects 11. Most radio stations always begin with the letter W or K. And the letter W is a secret communication between the 2 alien races that rule America, both east and west. You have lightning twice on your piece, and it reflects the zigzag. It is the zigzag that reflects W, M, Z, and N, the woman and the mother. The W also reflects 2 V's, and these 2 V's are the 2 compasses that reflect union of spirit and matter, physical, celestial, and spiritual. The 2 V's that make the W also reflect volume per volume. The ring on your ear is a reflection of a possible simulation or some kind of communication like a radio, and the letter W having associations with www and word, worship, wisdom, west, weeping, warden, a prison warden. So the Christ is holding a fish. You are holding a young Christ. And this is a reflection of those who follow the fish, follow Pisces into the age of Aquarius, will follow the Christ. But people don't realize there's a hidden goddess behind the Christ. And so on one hand, you are the warden with the letter W, and on the other hand, you are the wisdom and word and woman behind the letter M, which is man. Man is a reflection of woman because W upside down is the letter M. Notice you have the 2 V's on your ear, which reflects the letter W. The Freemason men on your elbow have FM. So FM is Freemason, but also FM radio. Most radio stations begin with the letter W. Notice your elbow and the nose forms the 2 V's, the letter W again. So Astarte, Ishtar, and Nana is associated with a lion, a horse, and a chariot, and you have all of those in your piece. The queen of the star. Notice the hand that is holding the Christ has the letters WW on your fist and MM on your other hand. This is the letter M and the letter W reflecting each other, woman and man. I will say I do feel there is some manipulation when it comes to man manipulating woman to have children here on this realm because of the DNA associated with these Freemasons that seem a little sinister to me. It seems as if the holy dove is a sacrifice.